Hello everyone. If you want to know how to install your Metamask extension or wallet right in your Mixes browser, and also how to import your wallet into the Metamask extension that you've installed in your Mixes browser, you have to watch this video to the end. Let's get started. The first thing is to head over to where you have these extensions here. You click on it, then you head over to where you have your extensions over there. You click on it. It will take you to the page, the extensions page. All right. You zoom a little bit and come over to where you have your from store. You click on it. All right. After clicking on it, you head over to where you have this discover here. You can see a discover section right here at the top left corner. You click on that discover section. Then you scroll to the right where you have your search extensions and theme. You scroll over there and type any extension that you like. In this case, I'll be typing Metamask. Then you can see now it has showed up here in the extensions. Now if you look here, these are the list of extensions. These are the store. These are all the extensions, some of the extensions in the store. You can type any extension that you like right here in the extension store here in the Chrome browser, okay? And when you type any extension name that you like, it's gonna pop up. So since I've tapped Metamask, that showed up, so I'll click on it. You just scroll over. If you want to install any Metamask, you just click on it. You click on it. Now, after clicking on it, just pay attention, okay? If you click on the Metamask, you take it to a new page. What you have to do is to scroll up to, if you see that this, you have to wait for it to load properly, okay? There should be an image here. But if it doesn't load up properly, just don't worry. Just scroll to the right where you have this little sign over here. Now my network as you can see wasn't showing good, but now it has popped out. Have you seen this add to Chrome here? That is where you always click. You click on that add to Chrome to add any extension to the Metamask, okay? You click on it. Now the extension will be added automatically right into your Mixes browser, okay? Now you can see now that it has popped out this. So whenever it pops out this, just click on OK. Now you can see add Metamask. You can see it can read and change all your data on all websites. You just click over here where you have your OK and continue. So now it will take you to this section now. So now it will show this. You can now see that after it loaded, it popped out this. All right. Now you can see remove from Chrome. Unlike how it was showing, it wasn't showing remove from Chrome. It was showing it was showing install. And then when we clicked on it and installed it, we waited for the page to load into the extension. And after the extension loaded into the Mixes browser, it now popped up this remove from Chrome. All right, it popped out this remove from Chrome. So whenever you see removed from Chrome, it means the extension has been added automatically into your Mixes browser, okay? It means the extension has been added automatically into your Mixes browser. So now if you just go back, if you scroll back, now and then click on this, you can now see installed All right, you can see installed, which means the extension has been successfully installed into your browser. And also, if you click on this section over here now, if you click on this section over here now for confirmation, let's go over there and click on it. And then when you scroll down, you can see that Metamask has been added automatically into the extension here in the Mises browser. So that is how you install your Metamask extension into your Mises browser. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to import your seed phrase or wallet into the Metamask that we've installed here in our extension. So for us to be able to install our seed phrase or our wallet into our extension here, our Metamask extension here in the Mises browser, what we have to do is to come over here where we have their extensions. That's the nugget you have to always toggle on, okay? Then you locate where you scroll this down a little bit and locate where the Metamask is. And now you can see that the Metamask is sitting right here. It's sitting right here. So I'll just click on it. Then wait for it to load. It's still loading. You just have to exercise a little patience. Now you can see it popped out, get started. So we just click on the get started here. And then we click on agree. We highlight the agree. Then we scroll down. Ensure that that little line over there reaches the bottom of the terms and condition, okay? So we just have to scroll and ensure that that little line over there reaches the bottom of it, so that you can, this agree here can show colored so that it can enable us to click on it. So now we click on our agree. Then instead of us to select this create a new wallet, we are not going to be selecting this create a new wallet. We are going to be selecting this import using seed phrase, because already we have a wallet already, an external wallet that we want to be importing into this extension. All right, so we are not going to be using the create a new wallet, rather we'll be using this import using seed phrase. All right, so we will click on it. Then after clicking on it, you come and paste your seed phrase right here. You scroll here and paste your seed phrase right there. I've pasted it. Then I click on continue. And then after clicking on continue, I'll create a password for myself. You can create any password that you like for yourself. Create any password that you like that. Now, this password now that we are creating here is to give you access to the wallet, just like having a password that will guide the outside of your wallet, but inside there's a seed phrase inside the wallet. But let me say, for example, you have a house, and for you to be able to open the house, you need to have a key that can open the house. And when you open the house, that is when you can have access to the properties that are outside. So we are now creating this new wallet, this new password. We are now setting a kind of password, all right, for the house. All right, we'll set a password for the house that can enable us to always log in or have access to the house. All right, that is an example that I'm showing you so that you can understand what I'm saying. All right, so we just create a password that can protect our seed phrase. That's what I'm trying to let you understand. So we'll just select a password here, all right? Then we confirm it. I am writing my own password. You have to ensure that whenever you are writing a password, the password shouldn't be weak. You should mix it up with uppercase, lowercase, so that no one can have access to it, or no system can detect what you are writing. Okay. I've just confirmed it, and then I'll click on continue. Then after clicking on that, it will take you to this page. You just highlight this, and then you click on agree. Okay, I've highlighted it. I click on agree. Now you click on done. All right, you click on done. I've clicked on it. Installation, they said it will pop up installation is complete. You click on done again. Then you wait for it to load. Then to pop up this send Solana, it will show up this. After showing up this, it will show on. You can see now it is showing connecting to Ethereum mainnet. All right. We just click on that. We cancel that. And then it will now show up after loading. It will now show up your wallet, so you can see now that the wallet has just been created. All right, congratulations, your wallet have just been imported successfully into the Mises browser through the Metamask extension. All right, so kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel if you find this video very useful, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.